Children, today I will teach you English grammar. This book. Okay? This one. This book. And the chapter is chapter 4. Okay? This chapter. Understood? So we will do today textual exercise. In the previous class, we have already learned about this chapter. I have already taught you this chapter, that how to use and where to use apostrophe. And why do we use apostrophe, children? Why do we use apostrophe? Yes. What happened, class 2? Concentrate while your teacher is teaching you. You have to not move here and there. Only you have to concentrate what your teacher is teaching. Aditi sir. Okay, so as I was asking with you that why do we use apostrophe, children? So we use apostrophe to show the possession. Okay, to show that something is owned by someone or it belongs to someone. Okay, understood? That's why we use apostrophe. Okay, so what is the criteria of using apostrophe? That also, the rules also I have already taught you in the previous class, and already the video is uploaded on the Google Classroom. So you all check there. So today we will do the textual exercise, children. Okay? So be ready with your pencil, eraser and all the things. So this is the chapter. Take out page number 19. Page number 19. Exercise A. Exercise A. Exercise A. So the first here is add apostrophe s to the words given in the brackets and fill them in the blanks. So the first question is that cat is brown. Here in the bracket Rohit is written. So as we know, Rohit is a singular noun. Rohit is a singular noun. So we will add apostrophe with s. So write down like this. So that is Rohit's cat is brown. So this means whose cat it is? Rohit's cat. The cat belongs to Rohit. Next question is that hobby is painting. Kiran's hobby is painting. Kiran's hobby is painting. The cat's name is very long. Write down. The giraffe's name is very long. Whose name we are talking about? We are talking about giraffe's snake. My dad's eyes are blue. My sister's eyes are blue. The dad's crown is golden. The king's Done. A parrot's beak is bright red. Children, if you have completed, then show me your thumbs up. Ensure don't play with your pencil. Very good, Aditya. Show me your thumbs up if you have completed. Very good. Okay, very good, Shruti. Very good. Very good, all of you. Okay. Now the next exercise is we have to put apostrophe in the sentence. Okay. These are the sentences in which we have to put apostrophe. Okay, so you can see in the first question, Tina is my sister's friend. Children, you have to put here. You can see I have put an apostrophe here. Put the sign like this. In the second one, it is Vidhi's birthday. Put here. Done. Now, did you find grandpa's spectacles? Where did you put? Here. Grandpa's after A. Next question is Daniel's shoes are too big. So we will put it here. Done. I have seen Rishab's new bicycle. So we will put after it. See here. Completed. Okay. Now the next is practice using apostrophe with S in the right places. So we have to put apostrophe with S. So the first question is the children's book. Write down children's here. See children how I have written. How I have used apostrophe with S. Children is the plural now, but it is ending in. It doesn't end in S. You can see it is not ending in S. So, therefore, I have used apostrophe with S. Now Now the second one is the dog's tail. Here will be dog's tail. Whose tail? Dog's tail. The worker's wages. The worker's wages. Children, we use apostrophe to show that something we are owning. Something belongs to someone. That's why we use apostrophe. When we use apostrophe, we have to add s with the singular noun. And in the plural noun, there are two categories. If the plural noun ends in s, then we will use only apostrophe. But if the plural noun doesn't end in s, like children, women, then we will use apostrophe with s. So children, in the video, I have explained you all the things. You can check it once in the Google Classroom. You go. You have already been given there. Now the next question is, there's mother, whose mother, or whose mother? Aditya, write down. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
why you are not writing it?
मैम मेरा पहले से किया हुआ है.
Okay, very good. And you have to talk in English now, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are a good student. You have to talk in English. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, then you see whether your answers are correct or not. Okay.
Yes,
Now the
ma'am.
next question. Okay. Now the next question is the student's grades. So we will add apostrophe with s. Sorry, students. Here I have added apostrophe. Okay. So, children, remember one thing that you can see here student. Student is already a plural noun, but it is not ending in s. That's why, according to the rule, if the plural noun doesn't end in s, we add apostrophe with s. Okay. Now turn the page. Turn the page. In this page, you have to, children, rewrite the sentence using apostrophe and adding s with the naming words wherever you see that it is appropriate for that sentence. Okay. So the sentence is, look children, this you have to write it again. But as we don't have space in the book, that's why I have underlined that where I will give apostrophe and where we will use s also. So here it is, Rani car is blue in color. Whose car? Rani's car. So we will add here apostrophe. First you underline the word where you have to use apostrophe with s. See how I have done. As we don't have place, so that's why I hope you can see.
Sir,
So write down like this. Okay. Now the lines are about like this. Rani's car is blue in color. She drives it day in, day out. The tires of the car are brand new. Children, you don't have to use apostrophe here because as I have told you in the previous class that we don't use apostrophe with non-living thing. Okay, we should not use apostrophe with non-living thing. So this I have already taught you in the class. We only use of to show the possession with the non-living thing. So it swiftly moves about. Rani's sister washes the car and parks it outside Raju's door. So what will be here? Rani's sister. Whose sister? Rani's sister. Rani's sister washes the car and parks it outside Raju's door. Put an apostrophe and also add s. Apostrophe and also you have to add s also along with that. Apostrophe with s. Okay. Now the last line is Raju keeps the car safe in his father's old garage. Father's. Whose garage it is? Father's. Children, put apostrophe along with the s. Okay. Have you all completed? You all have completed? If yes, then show me your thumbs up. Ishan Sahu, what happened? If you have completed, then show me your thumbs up. Okay, very good. Aditi sir, have you completed? Show me your book. Very good. Okay, children. So we have done this textual exercise. Now what we will do? We have to learn all the things related to this chapter. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So this we have completed all the textual of chapter 4, apostrophe, use of apostrophe. So why we use apostrophe, children? We use apostrophe to show that something is owned by someone or it belongs to someone. Okay? If I say Anu's bicycle. Anu's bicycle means Anu's bicycle. Anu's bicycle means the bicycle belongs to Anu. Okay? So Anu's bicycle means the bicycle belongs to Anu. Okay? If I say monkey's tail. Monkey's tail. Okay? Monkey's tail. So you can see, children, monkey's tail is I have added apostrophe after S. Why? Because I am talking about many monkeys. Here monkey is plural. Here the word monkey is plural. That's why if we are talking about plural, then we will add monkey. But there is also the rule, children. If the plural noun is ending in S, like it is ending in S, monkeys is ending in S, that's why I have used only apostrophe. But if the plural noun doesn't ends in S, then we will use apostrophe in S. Like children, the spelling of children doesn't ends in S. Okay? And children is a plural form. That's why children doesn't end in S. Then we will use apostrophe with S. Okay? The plural noun doesn't end in S. We use apostrophe along with S. Understood?
Yes,
If you have
ma'am.
understood, children, then show me your thumbs up. Okay. Children, go through the chapter because if you will not read the chapter, you will not understand. So you have to read the chapter also. Whatever teachers are teaching you, you have to read the chapter. Got it? Okay, children. Now our next chapter is chapter 7. Chapter 7. For this chapter, page number 27. Page number 27. Okay, children. So the chapter is A and the. Okay? A and the. Children, about this chapter, you have already read in your previous classes. In the upper nursery also, in the transition also, in class 1 also, you have read about A and the. And in your present class, in class 2 also, you are going to learn about where to use A, where to use and where to use the. Okay? So, today I will explain you the chapter A and the. So, listen carefully. So, the word A is used before a naming word that is one, and it begins with the consonant sound. Okay? A and N. These two words, A and N, are used with singular noun. Okay? If we are talking about one person, one thing, one animal, whatever, only one. If we are talking about one, then we will use A, but there is a condition that should start with consonant sound. And if we are talking about one, but it is starting with vowel sound, then we will use an. Okay? So the word A is used before a naming word that
वही रखा था। तो इधर आना मैडम काम कर रहे हैं। देखो मैडम काम कर रहे हैं।
The word A is, यहाँ पे मैम है, अभी बता रही है, तुम मैम खुद पढ़ा रहे लिखना है। मैम कहीं नहीं है, मैम कुछ मैम लिखने बोली तुमको, लिखो लिखो।
so you can see children
देखो
where do we use A? The word
मैम इसको
A.
लिखना है।
No. Just for the explanation I have given. If you want to write, then you can write. Aditi, if you want, then you can write. Otherwise, no need to write. Just see on the board. Just for explaining, I have written. Okay. But if you want to write, you can write it. Okay. If you will write, then it will be good for you. Okay.
No.
So, as I was telling you all, the word A is used before a noun, before a naming word that is one and begins with a consonant sound. Okay? A is used with the word begins with consonant sound. You have already read about vowel and consonant. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. Consonant is 5. boy, when you speak boy, you can hear the sound of consonant. Okay? When you hear the sound of consonant, then you understand that yes, I have to use the article A before the word. Okay? A cat. When you say cat, children, when you say cat, when you say cat, then you can listen the sound coming off the consonant. So you will add the word A before cat. Okay?
Hey,
About to try.
Okay. Now the next is the use of and.
ये लिख रहे हैं
मैम लिखने बोलिए।
नहीं
छोड़ दो बाद में, लेकिन मैम
आप लिखवा रहे हो
तो बोलो, मोबाइल में आएगा ना, उसी को बता देंगे।
कौन लिख लेता हूँ 10 मिनट।
Okay, children. So here I am taking the word and use before a naming word that is one and begins with a vowel sound. Okay? When you speak any word and if the sound is coming off vowel, okay? Vowel sound is coming after speaking the word, then you understand that yes, we have to use and. Okay? Like if you say apple, if you say apple, the apple, the sound is coming. Apple, the sound is coming vowel. The vowel sound is coming. Yes. If the vowel sound is coming after speaking any word, then you understand that I have to use and before it. Okay? Now you say orange. Orange. When you say orange, the vowel sound is coming. Orange. O. The sound O. Orange is coming. Then you understand that yes, I have to use the word and before orange. Okay? So whenever you are using a or an, then first you speak the word. If the word sounds as a consonant, if the word sounds as a consonant, then you will use a, and if the word sound is coming off vowel, then you will use n. Okay? So what you have learned that if the sound is coming off consonant, then we will use a. And if the sound is coming off vowel, after speaking any word, if the sound of vowel is coming, then you will use and. Okay? So children speak elephant. Elephant. Aditya, what you will use after before elephant? Say elephant. Aditya, say elephant.
Elephant.
So what sound is coming, Aditya? Vowel or consonant?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Goggle.
sound is coming?
Huh? Vowel. Ma'am, vowel.
Okay, very good. When you speak elephant, then vowel sound is coming. Elephant, A. Elephant. Elephant. A. The sound A is the vowel sound. So we will use N. What you will use? N before it. Okay, children. Have you all understood?
मैं याद नहीं सब तो एक
Can you speak the word like bag? Bag. So bag. B. The sound B. Bag. It is the sound of consonant. So you have to use A before bag. Like you will use A before bag. Okay? So children, next class I will teach you about where to use the. Okay?